Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how we can try to fix Wi-Fi problems on OnePlus Nord for 5G. So there are a few things that you can do. First of all, we're gonna go to the settings. Of course, first of all, we need to make sure that the airplane mode is actually disabled as it turns off Wi-Fi. So if you have airplane mode enabled, turn it off. After that, we need to go to the Wi-Fi. And sometimes all you need to do in order to fix Wi-Fi problems is turn off and turn on Wi-Fi. Of course, if you are sure that the issue is with the device instead of, for instance, the router or something, then we can proceed with the next steps. So then the next thing that you can do, if you cannot connect to your network, you can tap in the safe network if you have connected to it before, but you cannot connect now. So you can go to the details of the network and then press forget, and then you can try to connect to the Wi-Fi one more time. And if you cannot find the network at all in the safe networks and it's not in available networks, and if you still want to forget the network for this device, then you can tap on these three dots in the top right corner and go to more settings, and then over here we have saved networks. You can select your network and then press forget. And if you still, after that, if you still cannot connect to your Wi-Fi, another thing that you can do is scroll down in the settings and go to system and update over here. Go to backup and reset phone, and over here you have the option reset network and Bluetooth settings. So this option resets Wi-Fi, Bluetooth and mobile network settings. You will have to set up all of these once again, but usually this is the best help for the issues of Wi-Fi. So once you enter the password of your lock screen, then you need to confirm that you want to reset the network and the Bluetooth, Wi-Fi and mobile network settings. And after that, all you need to do is simply go back to Wi-Fi settings. So let's head to the settings, go to Wi-Fi, and then try to connect with your Wi-Fi one more time. And as a tip, because people may forget about it, you can actually refresh available networks. So if you enter the Wi-Fi, it searches for available networks nearby for a few seconds and then it stops. And if you want to refresh, then you have this refresh text that you can press in order to start searching for more networks, for more Wi-Fi networks. And in addition to that, you can also use this icon over here in order to open the camera and scan the QR code for Wi-Fi. So if you have the QR code for your Wi-Fi network, then you can try to scan it with the QR code instead. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.